Let me show you all screen lock methods available on a Redmi A7 Pro. So open settings and scroll down over here in order to go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock in order to pretty much immediately find all available methods. First, I'm gonna actually start with the screen lock over here because this is where we can set up the password. And we can find pattern, pin code, and password, which is nothing unusual, pretty standard list of different passwords. But besides that, you can also set up the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock feature, and also you can unlock with your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, only Xiaomi Bluetooth devices are supported in here, but still it is possible to use a Bluetooth device to unlock the phone. Fingerprint sensor is located on the power button, so not on the display, so maybe for some people it is a little bit unfortunate, but still it is possible to use the fingerprint. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.